In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce noise on Microsoft Teams. If you regularly join meetings from a busy room, a shared workspace, or even from home with background sounds around you, this quick setting can make a big difference. Noise suppression in Microsoft Teams helps reduce unwanted sounds like typing, fans, traffic, or other distractions, so your voice comes through more clearly during calls and meetings. To begin, open Microsoft Teams on your device. Once Teams is open, go to the top right corner of the window and look for the More Options icon. This is usually shown as 3 dots. Click that icon to open the drop-down menu, then select Settings. This will take you to the area where you can adjust your Teams preferences. Inside the Settings menu, look to the left-hand panel and click on Devices. This section contains your audio and hardware settings, including your microphone, speakers, and camera options. In the Devices area, find the Audio section. Here, you'll see an option called Noise Suppression. Turn Noise Suppression on. Once it's enabled, Teams will automatically help filter out background noise during your calls and meetings. This can improve audio quality not only for the people listening to you, but also for you if you want a cleaner and more professional meeting experience overall. If you're in a louder environment, this setting is especially useful before an important meeting or presentation. It's a good idea to check your audio settings ahead of time so you're not adjusting things in the middle of a call. Even though noise suppression is helpful, you'll still get the best results by using a decent microphone and trying to stay as close to your mic as possible when you speak. Also keep in mind that this setting is found in the Devices section of Teams settings, so if your audio ever sounds unclear or you move to a noisier space, you can always come back and review it. It only takes a few seconds to adjust, and it can noticeably improve how others hear you. And that's it. That's how you reduce noise on Microsoft Teams. It's a simple change, but it can make your meetings sound much cleaner and more focused. If you're following along, just open Teams, go to More Options, click Settings, select Devices, and turn on Noise Suppression. Once that's done, you're ready to go.